Let me show you all motions and the gestures available on the Redmi 15. In order to find them, we need to open Settings, scroll all the way down and go to Additional Settings. Next, we're going to go to Gesture Shortcuts, where we can find a bunch of different button shortcuts and gestures that you can enable or disable on the smartphone. First, we have the digital assistant, which can be toggled activated by pressing and holding the power button for half a second. There is also a screenshot section where we have two main ways to take a full screenshot, either by sliding three fingers down as it is present over here. And we can also use the volume down and power button combination. There is also the partial screenshot, which is similar to the previous gesture with three fingers, but this time, instead of sliding down, we just press and hold with them on the screen. Then we can find Launch Camera option, and we have two ways to quickly launch the camera, either by double pressing the power button or by double pressing volume down when the screen is locked. There is also a flashlight shortcut, which is similar to the camera, where we can double press the power button. So essentially you can choose either the camera or the flashlight, or nothing at all, of course. There is also the customization of the power menu, how you want to activate it. So by default, we use the power button and volume up button. When you press both of these buttons at the same time, then the power menu shows up, but you can also switch to press and hold power button only. Without the digital assistant, you just have to hold for half a second, and if the digital assistant is enabled, then you have to hold for 3 seconds. And then there is also the double tap fingerprint sensor gesture. So if you use fingerprint, well, you don't even have to use the fingerprint, it doesn't have to be set up. But the fingerprint sensor is located over here on the power button, so the power button is also the fingerprint sensor. And in this case, we can decide what should happen when you double tap the button. And you don't have to press the button, you just have to tap. So for example, something like this, I believe. There we go. As you can see, in my case, I can toggle the silent mode. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.